Hi guys, this is Manognya. I'm pursuing 10th grade. Today my topic is about chemistry. Let me learn about this now. What is chemistry? Do you know? The chemistry means study of elements. The study of elements is nothing but chemistry. To know the chemistry, we have to learn elements. First, let me learn the 20 elements. Those I will write now. First, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. These are the first 10 elements. These are the first 10: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, and carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. To know chemistry, we have to learn at least 30 elements. In this element, I have to explain about mainly carbon. The next topic is about carbon. Carbon and its compounds. First, let me learn what is carbon. You already know it is also one of the element, and it is a more highly reactive element, and it is also called as carbon compound and also organic compound. Organic compound like these. This carbon is found in various types. Those are coal, graphite, diamond, and Buckminster fluorine. I write these now. These are the main importance. Coal, graphite, and diamond, and Buckminster fluorine. These are the types of carbons extracted, and these are solid forms of carbon. The coal, you already know, it is extracted in our mining areas. And graphite. Graphite, it is mainly looks in our pencils. It has a one sharp area, that is one of the graphite metal. Then diamond, you already know, it is also one of the metal. And Buckminster fluorine, it is look like a ball shape. It is also one of the extracted metal. And where the coal is present, automatically the diamond will extracted like this. For example, in our India, the Sangareni mines is having more coal, and that place we have more diamond also. Next, the liquid forms of carbon. Those are LPG, CNG, and petroleum. LPG means it has a full form, liquid petroleum gas. And next, CNG, compressed natural gas. You already know petroleum. These are the liquid forms of carbon. Up to now we are learned about solid forms of carbon and liquid forms of carbon. Next, how to find the names to the carbon reactions, let me know. First, we will learn about carbon reaction names. If one carbon is called neat, if two carbons called ene, and three carbons prop, four carbons bute, and five carbons pent, and six carbons it also called as hex, and seven carbons called hept. Then 8 carbons called oct, 9 carbons called non, and 10 carbons called dec. These are the reaction names to the carbons: neat, eth, prop, bute, pent, hex, hept, oct, non, dec. These are the 10 reaction names to the carbon. And we need not only carbon reaction names, we need bond names also. Let me learn about these about that also. The bonds. If we have single bond, it's called as ene. And we have double bond, it's called ene. And triple bond, it's called ine. By using these and carbon reaction names, we have to find a reaction name. For example, I'll give one examples about the carbon reactions. I'll choose 3 carbons. Okay, I will then double bond variety. Why these two? Every carbon having 4 bonds means the carbon having tetravalency, means 4 valency. The carbon, so that's why. We have to see here in this reaction we have 3 carbons, means prop, and we have double bond propene, it's called propene. This reaction name is propene. Once you identify why I choose only H, means here H means hydrogen. Why we need hydrogen? It is only react with carbon. Why? Because it has a only first single valency. Then again you have a doubt. Only single valency is suitable, but not. It has a one of the specific reason of that. So that's why only hydrogen will react about that. Then I will do one more example. 5 carbons I will choose. Triple bond variety. This one not needed. Already 3 or 4 bonds are the single bond and 3 bonds. This one also not needed. This one needed. Where the bonds are come outside, we need to keep these lines only. You have to see here, he have 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 carbons, means pent. In this we have, I choose triple bond, means ine, pentyne. Is a reaction is pentyne. Or let me choose next. First I will take methane. It is also one of the reaction. Means CH4. Why I said CH4 you already know. Means it has only single bond, meth. A single bond. Meth is the first reaction name of the carbon and A it is the single bond name. CH4 you already know. If one H is left, not CH4 means CH3, then it called R means alkyl. It is first group in periodic table. So it is called methyl. Then it will replace methyl. I will write properly. In periodic table we have groups and 7 periods. In these 18 groups and 7 periods, we have to mix the elements. In these 18 groups, the first group is alkyl. Before time, I choose this one only. To need to understand, I will write this. Methane transform to methyl. CH4 and here CH3. One bond is left, so that's why. Or why I choose only methyl, I will take one more example. C2H6 means ethane. You already know ethane. If one carbon is left, C2H5 means ethane move to ethyl. It is the belongs to now alkyl groups. It is the one of the reaction like this. Like this we have 18 groups. We have to change that we learn about in these our future classes. Let's revise our total overview. What is meant by chemistry first? Then elements. Then carbon. Compounds. In this carbon we have reaction names and bonds, solid forms, then liquid forms, and again periodic table. These are our overview today. Thank you guys. that we have to revise these all this. This will be completed like this. Thank you guys.